What is Web3? The future of the internet. Imagine an internet where you control your money, your data, and your identity, not big companies. That new internet is called Web3. Let's break it down simply. The internet has evolved in 3 stages. First was Web 1. In the 1990s, people could mostly read information online. Websites were simple and static. Then came Web 2. This is the internet we use today, platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. You can create content and interact with others, but these companies control the data and profits. Now we are entering Web 3. Web 3 is powered by blockchain technology. Instead of companies controlling everything, users own their assets and data. In Web 3, you can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, NFTs, and decentralized apps called dApps. That means no middlemen, more transparency, and more financial freedom. Web 3 is still new, but it's changing how people earn money, invest, and use the internet.